Okay, I'm doing this video. You needed a video to show my problem with this camera that I just purchased. You can see that's a newer monitor. I'm always having issues with this camera, so I'm recording with my old one. Of course, you see that's the old monitor. The old one is fine. I'm having trouble with the voice. The audio is not clear, so I'm recording with this one and this one at the same time. And I'm going to send you the the audios of both, or actually this video. This is the one that's not clear. Now, previously when I had this problem, I always had this problem with this monitor. You guys sent me this monitor to put on this camera, and I sent you this monitor back. That's what I would like. I really don't like this monitor uh, because I'm always having problems with the voice. Now, if I can get one where the voice is clear with this one, I'll take it. But this is the one that has never given me a problem. I purchased this in 2019. It has never given me an issue. This one has, so I'll send this over.